Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to record a song in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and if you do not already have it, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of GarageBand, where we can get started with selecting our tracks that we want to make and so on. As you can see, we can play the keyboard, we can play drums, any instrument we want, we can play again the guitar and get started with recording ourselves. So what you can do guys is get started with either selecting a live loop that is already pre-made right here. You can use an EDM loop, a hip hop loop, or whatever you might want to use. Or you can go ahead and get started making your own instrumental and beat by using the instruments right here. So let's say you want to use the keyboard, you want to go ahead and get started recording. So how to record yourself guys is by clicking the big red button right here in the upper right corner. Click the big red button and then start playing something. After that you can stop the recording, and this is now your recorded instrumental, which if you go ahead and open up the edit mode right here in the upper left corner, you can see that now we have our grand piano where we can go ahead and get started with adding even more stuff. We have our vocals right here that we can add. We can go ahead and add new pianos. We can add what kind of instrument we want, doesn't matter. Anything you might want to add, you'll be able to find it in the edit mode right here. Then you can go ahead and open up the vocals and start recording yourself. Click the record button as well. As you can see, this is now recording my voice, and if we go back to the edit mode, as you can see, you can now put those two together and get started with getting your desired song and track. But yeah guys, basically go ahead and play around with it, test it out how it all works, go into the audio record mode and get started making your song. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on so you can always be notified when we upload a new video. But guys, thanks for watching today's one. I hope I'll see you in the next one, and bye.